Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the new products I got from the Archer and Olive Spring Release, which hit today. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. Okay, so first up, I'm going to show you the notebooks that I chose. I didn't want to be greedy. I only got 3, but still, that's still a lot, I know. So let's go one at a time. So this one is the A5 Coffee Cup Dot Grid Notebook. And this is a collab with Liz from The Greater Good. She's amazing, and so is this notebook. Look at this. So this cover is like, it's kind of like, you know, faux leather-ish. It's sort of smooth, but there's little bumps on it too. I don't know how to really describe it, but look at that gold coffee mug. It's so cute. And I just love the brown. I think it's super classy. So let's look at it inside. It is basically just white dot grid. And, you know, super cute. I'll show you there's the little charm on the bookmark. It's gold to match the cover. And then of course we've got the pocket in the back, and it just feels good. I don't know what I'm going to be using this one for yet, but I'm definitely keeping this because I just think it's like just so cool. Feels like me. Plus I love coffee, so there's that. Okay, next I got this one, and I got this because yellow is my favorite color. This one is called the A5 Flowers on the Table journal. It's like a linen cover, and if you know, I love the linen covers. Actually, they feel really good. They do pick up like some cat hair sometimes, but you can see the detail of the gold like vase with the little flowers in it. It's very dainty and cute. And this one is also going to be just a white dot grid, but look at this bookmark. I love the yellow, and it does have a gold charm. And yeah, I think this one is really cute. And again, I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I just love yellow so much, and it felt like springtime. So of course it is the spring release. So by the way, if you didn't know, today is a spring release of the Archer and Olive products. And there's so many cool new stuff. I did not get everything. I got a lot of it that I'll show you today, but I didn't get everything. And yeah, so check that out. I will put a link in the description box. And if you use code PWB10, you can, Bumble scratching yourself. You can use code PWB10, you will get 10% off your order. And their products are just so amazing. I'm in love with them. I'm so glad that I joined their brand ambassador team, their brand delight ambassador team, I should say. I really have been enjoying it and enjoying their products. Okay, so this notebook is an 8x8, which I really like the size. It's like a square. And it's called Awakening, the 8x8 Awakening. And look at this, like, oh my gosh, so pretty. I love pink. Pink is my second favorite color, so this made sense for me too. And look at the gold flowers on the front. Very classy. And I have to figure out what I'm going to use this one for, because this one feels just like it needs a special, you know, something special to do with it. I'm not sure because of the size, you know. We'll see. We'll see what I want to do. So here are the bookmarks. Really classy, pretty pink. So I love it. I love it. By the way, thank you, Archer and Olive, for sending me all this stuff. Thank you so much. It's so exciting to get it in the mail. Okay, so next we're going to look at something else that just came out. Stamps. A bunch of acrylic stamps came out, and I've been getting a little bit more into stamping. I don't know if you saw my stamping video this week, but let me just show you some of these. So here's the first one. This one's called Days of the Week. Next up, we have this one called Florals, and this is my favorite one. It has like the definite like Archer and Olive leaves here, but they're bigger, I think, than the last ones maybe that I have. I'm not sure. But look at that. So cute, right? Now you're gonna need a block to stamp, and like whatchamacallit, you know, one of those blocks, those clear blocks that you put these on, because these stamps come off, and then you pop them on one of the blocks, and then you can use it to stamp. And that sounds so self-explanatory, but when I started stamping, I didn't even know that. So in case you don't know, this one is called Celestial. I hope you can see these. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but these are like planets and stuff and constellation. I think they're super cool. Next up, we have Spring. Maybe I should take this off so that we don't have the glare. Look at this one. We've got like the little picket fence there. Isn't that cute? And a little arrow, a little door. Very quaint. And this is the same design that's on the cover of that planner that I just got. Look at that. Super cute. And then finally we have Days of the Week Standard, it says. So I like this one better. This is more me. But, you know, you can choose either one that you like. I just like really kind of bold letters like that instead of the cursive letters. That's just my kind of style. And there's like little icons there. Look, there's a little envelope and a phone and a clock. Some big numbers there. Very useful, very functional. Okay, so those are the stamps. And those are actually, they sent me all of the stamps that are new. So that was all of them. Okay, next up. We have some covers, you guys. Some like notebook covers, which is really, really cool. This one's just clear. Okay, so you're going to be able to see the outside of your notebook underneath this plastic. But look, so I'll show you another one that I got. And this one, I'll show it to you on a journal. So this one is called, wait, I have it written down. This one's called the Silver Glitter Journal Cover. They do have some glitter ones that are liquid and kind of like move around when you press on it. That's kind of cool. But this one's just the glitter one that with no liquid. This works like a kind of like an old school book cover, you know, for when you're in elementary school and you need a book cover. It has like these things and you just slide it in. Same in the back. And what I did was take the elastic and just bring it around this part. Just so that it's not in the way. This is my test page. Don't you love that? So yeah, so it's just like, oh, so the back is clear. I just really like it. I just think it protects your notebook. And so you're not, so there isn't like, I don't know, this white one that I have, this is a white one and it did get a little kind of like some smudges on the front. I think this is cool, and it's also just a way to keep it together, you know, instead of using the elastic. I just really like them. I think it's a really great idea. And so there are several there. There's some gold ones too, so you can check out the website to see what other covers they have. Okay. Next up, we have some washi tape. I wrote it down what they were. So this one's called Blooming Day, this set. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. I'm not going to put it on paper or anything, but I'll open it for you. So this one has florals and like little gold foil accents on the florals. Super cute, right? I love the colors. They're very spring-like. Can't wait to use that one. And this one is like, well, I'll open this one too, even though you can kind of see it already. It just has like little gold foil hearts, but it's like an ombre. All right. Next up, this one I don't have to open. It's pretty self-explanatory. Those classic Archer and Olive leaves on there. I love this one because It's very simple, but yet decorative at the same time. It's a perfect color pink, I think. Okay, and then we have a striped one. Let's see if I can open this for you. I should probably put it on white paper just so you can see. This one, because like the colors, I just want you to see the colors. So that's what they look like on paper. And I'm all about striped washi. You know that I am. I love kind of plain washi tapes, especially stripes and polka dots. Okay, and these are all 15 millimeter tapes. So this one's called Joys of Spring. I'm going to have to get another washi tape organizer or get rid of some washi tapes. Oh, I hate that. So let's check this one out. This one has gold foil on it. So it's a lot like the other one in the other pack, but just, well, a little bit different, but really cute. I really like this one because it's kind of yellow-ish. It's like a little orangey yellow, but it's got that like cute plaid pattern. See? Really cute. I keep saying really cute. I'm sorry. And then we have one that's green with white flowers. And then last but not least, we have another one with these Archer and Olive leaves, and this one, I'll put it on the paper so you can see. I love the colors in this one. It's, I don't know, just kind of different. I really like the colors. Okay, so those are the 8 washi tapes that I got. I think those are all the new washi tapes. I think I got all of them. Okay, so last but certainly not least, we will show you the Acrylograph pens that are new. So I got 4 sets. They sent me all of them. So each of these sets, there's 2 sets of colors, and they each come in the 3 millimeter and the 0.7 millimeter. And so this set, look at this. So this set is called, wait, let me get my paper. This set is called the Spring Awakening Collection. I'll just show you this way. So I'm not going to show you on paper how they write, because one thing I've discovered about Archer and Olive, which is so cool, because I haven't found this anywhere else, but pretty much what you see on the cap for Archer and Olive is the exact color that you are going to get on your paper, which I love. I think that's awesome. That is not something other brands usually do, and so I don't even have to swatch them because I know immediately what it's going to look like. So in every set you get a colorless blender, and I think in every set you get a white one as well. But here are the new colors. I think that they're really muted and pretty. I really like this one and this one. They go well together. So that's the first set. And now we have the Spring Vernal Collection. And this is what they look like. So we've got a gold in there. We've got 2 shades of yellow. You know I love yellow. And then we have some pretty pastels. So look at this purple and the blue and the orange. Like, I just think these are super pretty. And so that is that collection. Anyway, those are all the products that I got from Archer and Olive for the new spring release, and I love all of them. Let me know what you guys think of them. And yeah, like, if you have any questions about Archer and Olive or any of the products, you can just leave them in the comments down below. And again, code PWB10 for 10% off. I do get a small affiliate income from your purchase, and it doesn't cost you anything. So I'd appreciate it if you're going to shop, if you would use my link or my code or both. And that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. I will see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.